Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Unlock large format 3D printing without the hefty price tag with the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Designed for makers who want big results on a modest budget, this open-frame FDM printer delivers an impressive 15.2 x 12.6 x 12.6 inch build area, rare among sub-$500 printers. In testing, it produced over 20 high-quality prints with consistent reliability, making it a standout option for beginners and budget-minded hobbyists alike. Perfect for newcomers, the Neptune 4 Plus arrives with straightforward, basic assembly that helps users understand the mechanics of 3D printing. With its open frame design, you can see the belts, motors, extruder, and filament path in action, ideal for learning, tinkering, and troubleshooting. Setup is simple, operation is intuitive, and the machine performs smoothly once assembled. Just remember to pair it with a filament spool, or choose a bundle that includes one. For hobbyists looking to save, the Neptune 4 Plus offers excellent value. It supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PTG, ASA, TPU, and nylon, giving you flexibility for durable, creative, or functional prints. Whether you're producing large prototypes, cosplay props, or household items, this printer brings generous capacity and strong performance to your workspace. With features like 100-micron resolution, USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, and a sturdy 32 pounds frame, the Neptune 4 Plus is built for dependable, everyday use. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's an affordable gateway to high-volume 3D printing for creators of all levels. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Discover the perfect blend of value, performance, and ease of use with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, an exceptional compact 3D printer designed for beginners and budget-focused makers. Despite its small footprint, this powerful machine delivers high-quality, multicolored prints at impressive speeds, thanks to its optional 4-color add-on module. Whether you're producing decorative models, functional prototypes, or vibrant multicolor creations, the A1 Mini makes the process simple, fast, and reliable. Ideal for newcomers, the A1 Mini arrives nearly fully assembled, allowing you to start printing within minutes. Its intuitive setup, user-friendly interface, and rock-solid reliability ensure a frustration-free experience from the very first print. In testing, it delivered clean, accurate results without the typical tinkering often associated with budget 3D printers. For hobbyists watching their budget, the A1 Mini stands out as one of the most affordable 4-color FDM printers available, with the reviewed combo version priced under $400. Featuring support for common materials like PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, it offers versatility for everything from hobby figures to flexible parts. Built with a closed-frame design, the printer enhances stability and safety, while its 100-micron resolution ensures crisp detail in every print. Connectivity is seamless via Wi-Fi or microSD, and at just 12.12 pounds, it's lightweight enough for any workspace. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers unmatched value, reliability, and creative potential in one compact package. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Unlock professional-grade resin printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, a powerhouse SLA 3D printer designed for users who demand speed, precision, and effortless workflow. Engineered to deliver exceptional detail down to 10 microns, this machine produces everything from tiny tabletop miniatures to large display models with outstanding accuracy. Its advanced light source system handles even the most challenging calibration files with ease, ensuring flawless layer alignment and crisp surface quality print after print. What truly sets the M7 Max apart is its automatic, behind-the-scenes resin management system, which streamlines the printing process while minimizing mess and handling. Combined with remote monitoring, users can manage long, complex prints with confidence and convenience. Whether you're creating prototypes for clients or crafting high-quality models at home, the M7 Max offers a smooth, intuitive experience that gets you from setup to finished part with minimal effort. For professionals, this printer delivers near industrial-grade build quality, unwavering reliability, and exceptional consistency, ideal for rapid prototyping and short-run production. Enthusiasts and hobbyists will appreciate its sub-$1000 price point, refined user interface, and impressive performance, making high-end resin printing more accessible than ever. Featuring a generous 11.7x6.4x 11.8-inch build area, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, and a sturdy closed-frame design, the Photon Mono M7 Max is built for serious creators. At 52.91 pounds, it offers stability during long prints and comes backed by a 1-year warranty. For outstanding detail, speed, and ease of use, the M7 Max is an unbeatable choice. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Start your 3D printing journey the easy and affordable way with the Entina Tina2, a compact and beginner-friendly printer designed for kids, students, and first-time makers. If you're curious about 3D printing but not ready to invest in an expensive machine, the Tina2 delivers excellent value, simplicity, and a fun introduction to STEM learning. With its transparent, open design and intuitive operation, it encourages hands-on exploration and creativity right out of the box. The Tina2 focuses on what matters most for entry-level users: reliability, ease of use, and safety. It features a maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius, ideal for common beginner filaments, and prints at a manageable pace, taking about 91 minutes to complete a benchy test print. Its measured effective bed size of 120 mm x 100 mm supports small toys, figures, and school projects. While the build volume is compact, it's perfect for young creators who want to experiment without feeling overwhelmed. By eliminating unnecessary high-end features, the Tina2 keeps costs low while maintaining solid performance and dependable results. Print quality won't match premium machines, but for simple models, crafts, and fun desk trinkets, it gets the job done with minimal fuss. Parents and educators will appreciate the outstanding support resources and effortless setup, ideal for teaching STEM principles in an engaging way. If you outgrow it, consider options like the Creality Ender 3 or Bambu Lab A1 Mini, but for beginners, the Entina Tina2 remains a top value, user-friendly entry point into 3D printing. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Step into the world of 3D printing with confidence using the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a beginner-friendly printer designed to make creativity effortless, fun, and frustration-free. Packed with smart, easy-to-use features, this fully enclosed printer delivers a true plug-and-play experience, perfect for students, hobbyists, classrooms, and first-time makers. With a generous 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, the Adventurer 5M gives you plenty of space to print everything from practical household items to detailed models and school projects. Its fully enclosed chamber enhances stability, improves temperature control, and adds a layer of safety, ideal for younger or inexperienced users. The PEI build plate offers excellent adhesion and easy part removal, minimizing failed prints and simplifying your workflow. For added convenience, the quick-release nozzle lets you switch nozzle types or perform maintenance in seconds, no tools required. Combined with auto-leveling, the printer ensures a perfectly calibrated bed every time, eliminating one of the most frustrating steps for beginners. Connectivity is equally effortless with cloud control, allowing you to send prints, monitor progress, and manage files from virtually anywhere. Whether you're printing from a laptop, phone, or tablet, the Adventurer 5M keeps the process smooth and intuitive. Designed for dependable performance and ultimate ease of use, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the ideal entry point into 3D printing, offering advanced features, excellent print quality, and a hassle-free user experience in one affordable, ready-to-go package.